Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me plus a little Q&A. I asked you guys to ask me questions on my community tab on my channel. And that's where I'll like update you guys and tell you if I'm like missing an upload or to ask me questions or just like a lot of updates. So make sure you keep up with me on there. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing like my normal makeup routine for going out. I don't wear makeup that often. I only usually wear it once or twice a week, usually on Fridays and Saturdays if I'm going to dinners or if I'm going out. This is always the makeup that I do. So if you guys are excited for this video, then just keep watching. Before we get into today's video, I want to quickly shout out Dossier. I work with them all the time. I'm truly obsessed with them and they are just amazing, okay? So basically, if you don't know what Dossier is, they are a fragrance website that replicates designer-inspired fragrances for a fraction of the price. So I do have a discount code. It is Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off your order. I will have a link to Dossier's website in the description along with my discount code, just in case you guys forget it. Another thing that I love about Dossier is you can try out the fragrance for 30 days, and if you don't like it, you can send it back. So I have two new fragrances and I'm literally so excited to see what they are. This is kind of like a first impressions because I don't know what these are. Okay, first one that I have is called Woody Sandalwood and it is inspired by Le Labo Santal 33. We're gonna give this a try. That smells really, really good. I don't know what it smells like. The top notes are violet leaves and cardamom. I don't know, it smells really, really good. I don't have anything that smells like this, so I'm really excited to be adding this to my collection. I love my little Dossier perfume collection. Like, it's literally like my favorite thing ever. Also, look how cool the caps are, like awesome. The next one that I have is called Aquatic Lime, and this one's inspired by Giorgio Armani's Acquadagio. So this is actually one that I got for my boyfriend, which he doesn't know because I totally forgot that I picked this one out for him. But growing up, my dad always used Acquadagio aftershave and it smelled so good. Oh my gosh, it literally smells just like it. I'm gonna actually spray it on here. You guys, it literally smells just like it. So good. Okay, that's a winner. For sure. Thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget guys to use my discount code Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off. And I will have a link in the description for you guys to check out Dossier if you are interested. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I'm not gonna like talk through like the products necessarily and like share each product with you guys and like talk through the whole process because I didn't want to do a makeup tutorial. I just wanted to do like a get ready with me. So I will have all these items linked in the description box in order. So first off, I wanted to ask you guys how you guys are doing. I hope you all are doing well and trying to stay somewhat sane. Also, I just got a spray tan. That's why I look like this. Like, my skin looks so splotchy right now, and it's because whenever I get a spray tan, it picks up all like the dry patches. I don't know, it's super weird, but I haven't even washed it off yet, so that's probably why I look even more crazy than normal. Anyways, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. I guess I'll do like a little mini life update. School's going good. Everything's going pretty good. I've just been really, really busy recently. Oh, yeah. My car won't start, so that's fun. That happened yesterday. I'm pretty sure it's my battery. So my dad's gonna come over later and try and jump it, and then we're gonna take it probably to get a new battery. But thank God that my parents have like an extra car that like they don't really use. It's just like a backup car for like, I don't know, it's just a backup car. And so thankfully we have that, so I've been using that. Literally I woke up yesterday and my car wouldn't start, so that was a great start to the day, but it's fine. So I'm pretty sure that's all I have to say for a life update. I also am not used to talking when I'm doing my makeup. I always listen to music, so this is definitely like a little bit harder for me. Also, it's literally like a random Monday and here I am doing a full face of makeup, not doing anything but filming. So I thought that since I had to film this video for you guys, I would just make it a whole content day and film other stuff. So starting off with the questions. So first question is from Leora's Makeup Loves 52. She also has a YouTube channel, so go check her out. I literally can't talk and do makeup at the same time, guys. And she says, how do you stay motivated to work out regularly? I love working out, but for some days during the week, I'm like, I'd love to be more consistent. So ever since my vacations that I took early August, I kind of fell off my routine of working out. And I think partially it was because I did have like a small panic attack the last time I was at Orange Theory, like last week of July. And so it just kind of like scared me from going back. I don't know. That's when my anxiety was like at its peak, I think. So yeah, I've been back like 2 or 3 times maybe since then. So don't get me wrong, like I don't work out near as much as I used to, but recently I've started doing workouts in my apartment gym. I'll do like 12, 3:30, which is actually like a good workout. And then I'll do like arms or a little bit of like legs and butt, stuff like that. Yeah, I definitely want to get back into Orange Theory. It's just really hard with my class schedule right now because I used to go at the 12 o'clock class, and I have class at 12 Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So now it's just kind of hard, and I don't know. I'm just making excuses. Yeah, I definitely want to get... The stupid dump trucks are here, you guys. Okay, I'm back. I had to pause because of the dump trucks, but I think they're done. But yeah, I definitely want to get back into Orange Theory. But like I said, I've just been doing some workouts in my apartment building. And I've also been walking a lot. Like I live near like a lot of shops. So what I'll normally do is like work out, do 12, 3:30. Then I'll come up to my apartment and do like some little chores. And then I'll go and walk around for like 30 minutes and do some shopping or just errands that I have to do. And I do that instead of driving. So I can definitely see a difference in my mood after I work out and even just do a little bit of walking. Like it just is crazy what it can do to your mood. And I've also been trying to eat a little bit healthier, so that's been going pretty good, except this past weekend. But yeah, I'm not trying to lose weight or anything. I'm just trying to like get a little bit back in shape. But I'm gonna book some Orange Theory classes soon. But yeah, don't get me wrong. I'm flattered that you guys think I work out so much, but I really have been slacking ever since like beginning of August. But I'm gonna get there. So then Colleen Winson asked some favorite book recommendations, also tips on how to keep your space clean. Your apartment always looks great in videos. Well, thank you, that's really sweet. Book recommendations are Verity by Colleen Hoover, It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover, Silent Patient, forget who that's by, The Wife Between Us, and I hope you guys are writing these down because you need to read them. Is that it? Behind Closed Doors was pretty good, but I don't know. That was probably my least favorite out of all those. But yeah, definitely start with those. Those are my faves. I am about to start reading Colleen Hoover's Ugly Love. So I'm really excited. Okay, and then tips on how to keep your space clean. I don't know. I've always been a really big like neat freak. I'm not gonna say that I have OCD because I haven't been diagnosed, but I've had characteristics of somebody that deals with OCD since I was a child. Like I remember when I was like 4, 5, and 6, I was very obsessive with like my toys and like if anybody touched them and like they had to be like put away a certain way. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that I have it because like I said, I haven't been diagnosed, but I'd be really surprised if I didn't have at least a little bit of it. But nothing like, I'm not gonna say it's like really extreme, but because I know a lot of people deal with it like really extreme and I can't even imagine. So I'm thankful that mine's not like too bad. But yeah, I've just always been very neat, I'll just say that, with my space. I'm really trying not to like offend anybody that actually has been diagnosed. I don't know. What I'm saying is I've always kept my space clean. Like even when I lived with my parents, like my mom never had to tell me to clean my room. It was always spotless. And my apartment is always spotless just from those traits. Not always, but I'd say like 95% of the time, because of those traits that carried over as a child. And I don't know, some people aren't that way. I feel like most people aren't that way. I feel like it's rare to be this way, but yeah, I mean, I guess it's not really a bad thing. Yeah, I don't really know. Some tips would just be to clean up every time you make a mess. So if you eat or drink something, clean it up immediately, put it in the dishwasher. If you're done sitting on the couch for a while, fold your blankets. And then I'll clean like every Sunday and do like a little bit of cleaning. And then I do have a cleaning lady that comes once every 2-ish months, just to do like a good deep clean. But yeah, I would just say clean up whenever you are done with anything. Whenever you make a mess, immediately clean up. Okay, Brandy says you should do a girl talk video sometime. I definitely will. I think that'd be really cool. She says, what advice do you have for new college students? How are you doing mentally, and what do you do for self-care? I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick and then I'll come back to this question because Lord knows I can't do my eyebrows while talking. Okay, what advice do I have for new college students? I would say go in open-minded. I was very, very closed-minded when I was going into college and applying for colleges. Like, I was like, I don't want to dorm. I know that for sure. And I'm not mad. I don't regret not dorming at all. This is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say get out of your comfort zone, because that's what I had to do. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. I don't know what's going on with my brain today. Get out of your freaking comfort zone, because you're not gonna learn anything about yourself. You're not gonna learn anything new about yourself if you're in your comfort zone. And it's hard. Like, I feel like I was kind of socially awkward like growing up, but definitely gotten a lot better. But I'd also definitely say like guard your heart, because there are gonna be some people that don't have your best interest at heart. And yeah, I don't really know where I'm going with that. But be careful, like not necessarily who you let into your life, because you're gonna learn a lot of lessons like growing up and stuff and in college, especially when it comes to friends and who you want in your life for a while. So I wouldn't say like be like closed off, because you're gonna learn lessons, if that makes sense. I don't really know. I can't even see what I'm doing. I think my wings are matching. I can't really tell. Also can't tell if this lighting's good, but whatever. But yeah, that's kind of, I guess, the advice that I have for new college students. This is a time that you are going to find yourself and learn a lot about what you want in a friendship and in a relationship, and a lot about what you don't want. So yeah, but also don't be scared. I was terrified to go to college because I went to a very, very small private school. So I was absolutely terrified of having to be in a classroom with 100 other people, and I was scared of what people would think of me and like if I was gonna be awkward. But then what I immediately loved is like, I don't know, I just got like a sense of like peace, and like people really don't care what you wear, what you look like in college. Like, I don't know, at least kind of I feel like the school that I go to, like there's a lot of diversity. And then she also asked, how are you doing mentally? What do you do for self-care? I'm doing good mentally. So I'm doing very, very well, thankfully, but definitely comes in waves. But thank you so much for asking, that's so sweet. And then what do I do for self-care? I like to eat like my comfort foods. If I'm like having like a bad mental day or feeling anxious or whatever, I'll eat something that's like a comfort food of mine. I'll watch a movie or a show, and I just will relax and maybe read a little bit. I will do my hair, like take a long shower, do my skincare routine. Well, I do that every night, but also retail therapy is a form of my self-care, I would say. Also, I feel like for me, a big part of my like self-care routine is keeping up with like getting my nails done or tanning or getting my lashes done. Like little things like that like just make me feel better about myself, especially if I'm like not doing good mentally. Like taking care of my appearance really like plays a big role in that situation. I just totally messed up my freaking mascara because I was trying to talk. Chloe asked how to start a Lululemon collection, mental health tips, new college student advice. I already touched on the new college student advice. And then for mental health tips, I would say just know that it will get better, and the feelings that you're feeling right now are just temporary. Talk to somebody, go to therapy. If it gets like really, really bad, you can always get on medicine. But like when I'm having an anxiety attack or it's about to come on, I'll just sit there and realize like it's in my head. This will pass. And I just try to like soak it in and like feel those feelings, you know? Okay, and then for her question, how to start a Lululemon collection, I will say that I started off in high school. I think I got my first pair of leggings when I was a sophomore, and they were the Wonder Unders, and I wore those all the time. And then once I got into my freshman year of college, I remember I asked my mom for a gift card for Christmas. So she gave me like a $50 gift card, and I went on the sale section of Lululemon, which is called We Made Too Much, and picked out like some biker shorts, a tank top, and a little tote bag. Obviously the $50 didn't cover half of it, but it helped. And so I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm obsessed. So then I started buying more on the sale page, and like for a while I just started on the sale page. But then also that can kind of get you in trouble because you can't return stuff once you buy it like on sale and stuff. So then I ended up buying leggings that didn't fit. But I would just say, check out my video of my Lululemon favorites and regrets. I'll have it linked down below. I honestly need to kind of update that video, but pick a few basics, like basic colors, black, white, gray, staple colors, and like staple items, like a line tank, a line leggings, scuba hoodies, just basic items that you can wear like over and over again, and then just save up. Yeah, I guess that's kind of my advice. That's kind of what happened to me. Like I just started off with the bare basics, and then here I am, and it's all because of you guys watching my videos, and I freaking love you guys. So I literally would not have this collection if it wasn't for you guys. So I just want you to know that. I'm gonna power through these and then do my lips. What is the next place you want to travel abroad and in the States? I would say definitely Hawaii. I want to go back to Hawaii, freaking miss it. Abroad, I mean Europe, anywhere in Europe. Greece, Italy, love to go there. Also Puerto Rico would be cool to go to because my boyfriend is from there. Well, not, I mean, he didn't like grow up there, but he's like 100% Puerto Rican, I think, or 75%. So it'd be cool to like go there with him. Elizabetta asked, when can you do a meet and greet? I really want to do one soon. I just gotta like figure it out. Last question, I think, is that I'm gonna answer. Sorry if I didn't get to everybody. I literally had so many. Kiara asked, what is your next step education wise? I don't know. You guys will have to wait and see. I've talked about a little bit about what I'm thinking about doing. There's a lot of different options going on in my head right now, so I'll talk to you guys and share those with you guys as it gets closer to graduation and like once I graduate and stuff, because I don't really want to say anything right now if it's not gonna work out. And yeah, so this is the completed makeup look. I feel like I didn't do as good as I normally do because I was talking, but it's fine. But yeah, all products will be linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out Dossier and use my discount code HannahVictoria10. Thank you to them for working with me on this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, follow me on all my social media, and let me know what videos you want me to do next. Thank you to everybody who asked me a question. So sorry if I couldn't get to yours. I love you guys, and I'll hopefully see you very, very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.